Introducing VZONE TRACK, your ultimate solution for monitoring and managing vehicle fleets across the GCC countries. Stay connected and in control, no matter where your vehicles go. With VZONE TRACK, you can monitor your vehicles in real time, track live locations, speeds, and operational statuses, whether driving, idling, or stopped. Stay informed at every turn. Review the full travel history of your vehicles effortlessly. Get comprehensive reports on routes taken, destinations reached, and key metrics to ensure optimal performance. Analyze time spent on the road during idle moments and at stops. Optimize your fleet's productivity by monitoring detailed breakdowns of travel and idle durations. Ensure driver safety and compliance with real-time alerts for speeding, harsh braking, and other violations. Monitor behaviors across GCC countries and take action instantly when necessary. Take full control of your fleet with VZONE TRACK. Reliable, real-time tracking and monitoring for drivers and vehicle owners across the GCC. Download the VZONE TRACK app today and drive with confidence. We have the solutions with Smart VZONE TRACK GPS device. Experience world #1 GPS tracking system with world-class features. The industry leader in GPS fleet management solution. VZONE International world #1 fleet management solution.